Hey, it's Matt back with another favorite find, and today I'm sharing my experience using the Aqua Vital Hydrogen Water Bottle. I enjoy using the 16-ounce hydrogen generator bottle because it makes my drinking water feel more refreshing during workouts and travel. The SPE-PEM ionized H2 hydration technology works through USB-C rechargeable operation with the automatic shutoff for convenience. Now, I like the portable glass flask design since it fits easily inside my gym bag while keeping my hydration routine simple. So if you want a modern way to enjoy hydrogen-enriched water anytime, carry the sports and travel bottle right here and stay hydrated wherever, but that's my opinion.
Let me show you my new Aqua Vital Hydrogen Water Bottle. It is such a game changer when it comes to your hydration. This bottle infuses regular water with hydrogen in just 3 minutes. First, wash it and fill it with cold filtered water. Before the first use, you run a quick cleaning cycle. Then dump that water and run a second cycle to finish prepping the bottle. It charges with USB-C, and one charge gives you around 10 to 15 cycles. Now refill with fresh cold water and start your infusion. The blue light and bubbles show the hydrogen infusion. For a stronger infusion, you can run a second cycle. Tastes super fresh and clean. Hydrogen-infused water is known for its hydration benefits, and it helps you feel more energized throughout your day. So yeah, that's it. That's the Aqua Vital Hydrogen Bottle. It is super easy to use, rechargeable, and great for everyday hydration.
I've been loving this hydrogen water bottle. Thought I'd make a little review on it just to update on how I've been liking it and how it works. Just looking at the bottle, you've got the power button right here and then a charging button on the back. This lid pops off. It has a nice rubber gasket in there, so it stays on nice and tight and it does not leak, which is great. So I'm just gonna fill this up. Pop the lid on, and then here is how fast it works. Like almost instantly. It's so cool. And here you can see it is all done. It turns off automatically, which is great. And then if you do let this sit for a while, you'll probably want to redo it after a while just because it won't be as hydrogen rich as when you first do it. When I first got this bottle, I honestly kind of doubted like if this would make me like drinking water more, but crazy enough, it actually changes the flavor a little bit. We have city water that I have to like run through my pure filter and I still don't like love the taste of it. And then putting it through this, I just feel like it tastes so much better. So it's super interesting. So I've really been enjoying it just for the flavor alone. So definitely a try if you're not a huge water drinker to begin with, or if you're just trying to get more out of your water, this is definitely the route to go.